Welcome to our video on the steps to a stress-free life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed out. But by incorporating a few simple practices into your daily routine, you can achieve a sense of peace and tranquility. The first step to a stress-free life is to simplify your schedule. Take a look at your calendar and identify any activities or commitments that are causing unnecessary stress. Learn to prioritize and say no to things that don't align with your values and goals. Another important practice is meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to quiet your mind and focus on your breath can have a profound impact on your stress levels. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and let go of any negative thoughts or worries. Exercise is also key to reducing stress. Whether it's going for a run, practicing yoga, or taking a dance class, physical activity releases endorphins that boost your mood and reduce anxiety. Find a form of exercise that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Getting creative is another great way to de-stress. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing music, expressing yourself creatively can help you relax and unwind. Allow yourself to let go of perfectionism and just enjoy the process. Finally, showing gratitude is a powerful tool for reducing stress. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right in your life. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can create a life that is more peaceful, balanced, and stress-free. Remember, it's important to prioritize self-care and make time for activities that bring you joy. Thank you for watching, and here's to a stress-free life.